Okay, this is the Ancheer 26-inch electric mountain bike. Came in a box. So far it seems pretty good. Always like to pull these copper staples out because you'll tend to scratch yourself. It's got this really good reinforcing tape on the box, which I like. Now, obviously, some assembly required. So we have, what's this? Cardboard box. Oh. It's tie wrapped together. Okay. Looks like a bicycle seat. Some pedals. Kickstand. Looks like a seat post. And that's part of the seat post too. It's the battery pack. And I'm guessing this is the charger and instructions. Yep, and a rear view mirror. Okay, it's shipped with a temporary bolt in here. Of course. There we go. Front wheel. There's a spacer in the caliper. Get this disc in there. Doesn't turn very well, but I think the brake needs adjusting. Okay, so this is going to go in here like this, through that hole, into the bracket. This is going to take a second. It's not very good fit here. This guy, angle like this, it's a parallel. Okay. This is going to take a second. It's not very good fit here. This guy, angle like this, it's a parallel. Okay. Now let's turn it back over. Okay, now we can put on the seat post, and pedals. I think I'm going to have to get a seat post extension because this looks awful short for my height. So there's no wrench to adjust the seat. So I got to go get a wrench. It must be 13 millimeter. Now, the seat post isn't tight enough and it's clamped down all the way. So I'm going to have to tighten that a little. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, now just going to install the pedals. Interesting fun fact, my grandfather invented and has a patent on reflectors on pedals. He was the first one to do it about, I think it was about 1937 in Germany. Right hand pedal, right hand thread, left hand pedal, left hand thread, I guess. So right hand pedal, right hand thread, left hand pedal, left hand thread. Alright, now the bike light. Okay, the front fender goes on opposite side of the headlight with that nut. The rear fender goes, there's a bolt right here. Okay, so here's the controls. So the modes are low, that's low assist. If you hit minus here, it goes to 0, which means it's full electric. Then plus is low, mid, and high. And that's just how much it assists you. This here is how much charge you have. Light assist. Light assist, I can barely tell it's doing anything. I'm doing about 9 miles an hour instead of 8 with light assist. Okay, medium assist, oh man, that's a huge boost. I have to shift way up. Yeah, I got to get into the highest gear at medium assist to do anything. Yeah, medium assist. Let me put the same amount of effort into this thing as I did with low assist. Okay, that's the amount of effort I was putting in with low assist, and now I'm doing 15. And high assist, you know, it's not geared high enough. I can't pedal fast enough to push on it at all. If I kind of get crazy here. Yeah, it goes 18. Can't get going much faster than 18. Okay, the seat here, I've made, I had to get a new seat post. It's 6 inches longer than the other one. I'm 6 feet tall, 6'1". The other one was way, way, way too short. I added the strobe on there in the back, and I added a strobe on the front, a white light. I would say, as far as electric bikes go, so far it's just fine. It was worth the almost $600 I paid for it. Only issues I've had is this pedal. When I'm pedaling, my heel hits the kickstand, so I have to move my foot a little bit more forward on the pedal than I like. Say it goes about 15 miles an hour on flat ground. With pedal assist, you know, you might go 18. It just, like I say, mountain bikes have just such a horrible rolling resistance that, you know, it just doesn't go that fast on flat ground. But I got it to put in an airplane, fold it up, and be able to go to a remote airport and be able to ride a bike 10 or 15 miles somewhere. Okay, I'm going to show how I fold up, or the electric bike Ancheer folds up. Loosen the handlebars, and then I rotate them 90, like that. Now the pedals, you push in, and then they flip up. That. You loosen this lever here, flip it down, then you pick up the lever and allow the joint to open. You fold the bike like that, and I guess it helps it. Helps if I pick up the kickstand first. There we go. There we go. All folded up.